Okay, good morning, students. Today we are going to deal in marketing management specialization, that is sales and distribution management. Today we are going to deal the topic in the second unit, that is role of relationship marketing in personal selling. Okay, today we are going to deal with role of relationship marketing in personal selling. Okay, now if we talk about this role of relationship marketing in personal selling, then it is totally related with what? Relationship marketing. And relationship marketing is what? If we talk about the relationship marketing, then relationship marketing is to make or create a sound relationship with all those potential customers as well as customers who are there in the market, or the existing customer or the new customer, so that we are going to convert those customers into the loyal customers. That is known as what? Relationship marketing. Okay, so relationship marketing is the creation of customer loyalty. Organizations use combination of products, prices, distributions, promotions and services to achieve this goal. Okay, particularly sales department, or we can say that the marketing department or the entire organization would include a various combination, would use a various combination of activity, say the activities related to the product, price, place, distribution, promotion, services, to achieve this particular goal of relationship marketing. Okay, so relationship marketing is based on the idea that the important customers needs continuous attention. Exactly, as we know that there are various customers, each and every, if for example, if you can visit any of the retail shop, and if you continuously visit any of the retail shop from the say from the last 1 year, 2 year or 5 years, then that particular retail shop knows everything about you. He tries to get the information related to you. He knows the retailer knows your name, knows your profession, knows your house, knows your parents, knows your all other members who are there in your house, as well as knows your most of your interest. They try to make yourself very much close to yourself. Okay, and they try to make a sound relationship. So those customers are what? Important customers. Those customers are what? The loyal customers. So it is very much necessary for any of the marketer that relationship marketing is totally, we have to make the point of the concept of relationship marketing in such a manner that important customers need continuous attention. Okay, an organization using relationship marketing is not seeking a simple sale or transaction. Okay, it has targeted a major customer that would like to sell to now and in the future. Exactly, now also as well as in the near future also. They just make the relationship, the basic motive or the role of relationship marketing is that not to make the customers for the present move, but also to make the customers for the future moves, that in the near future they are also going to target those customers, and those customers would be their loyal in the near future. Okay, the company wants to demonstrate to the customer that it has the capability to serve the account's needs in the superior way, particularly if a committed relationship can be formed. Exactly, in this, what is the role of the company, the role of the organization is what? They try to demonstrate, they try to show to the customers that they are taking utmost care of the customers, and they company do have the utmost capability in the managerial skills as well as in the technical skills, on the basis of which they are going to satisfy the needs, desires, wants of the customers. Whatever the problems of the customers which is being arised, the company is going to solve all those particular problems, and superiority would be provided to that particular customer. So in the terms of services, in the terms of various capabilities which the company is having, like capabilities of operation, capabilities of management skills, capability of marketing skills, capability of service skills, capability of on the job time skills. So all these skills are real time skills. So all these skills the company is capable enough to just satisfy the customer. So this is what the basic important motive of any we can say that the company or the organization, on the basis of which they are going to convince the customers and they are going to make the customers loyal. Okay, now relationship marketing is only possible with the help of personal selling. Exactly, this is what the one important point which we have to study in this, that relationship management. If we talk about the relationship management, then in relationship management it is directly proportional or directly related to personal selling, because the relationship marketing is only being done with the help of personal selling. And personal, the process, as we have studied on the last lecture, on the last classes, that personal selling would be of various, the process of personal selling would be of 8 steps. It should be concluded in the 8 steps. So on that steps, if we talk to the customers via email or via WhatsApp or via telephone, voicemail, anything, that is also what a kind of communication which is being generated between the customer and the marketer, okay, and the personal seller. If suppose, for example, the customer moves towards the retail outlet, then at that time the retail outlet would be the personal seller, because the customer is going to interact to whom? To the retail outlet. As we have studied earlier, that in the types of personal selling, there are various types. Personal selling would be doing in the form of B2B segment, business to business segment. Personal selling would be dealing in the segment of B2C segment, that is business to customer segment. So these are what different kinds of segments on which they are dealing with. Okay, so here they are going to deal, they are going to do the activities, and it is the role of personal selling to talk to the customers, to convince the customers and make the customers feel that the company is for themselves and the company is doing the work activities for their satisfaction or for their betterment. Okay, so salesperson who are knowledgeable, who listens well and come up with answers, and who stands by their customers after the sales are made, are providing good relationship marketing. Exactly, all those salesperson who are doing good, who are doing well with the customers, they are providing a sound knowledge, they are providing a sound benefit to the customers, and accordingly they are going to get the benefits and they are going to make those customers loyal, so that the customers do have faith and believe on that particular company's salesperson. Okay, so this is what role of relationship marketing in personal selling. Okay, thank you to all of you.